So children, our today's topic is origin and evolution of man. So in this topic, the history of man is given since 15 million years ago. It is thought that this whole history is based on the fossils only, the record of fossil. So first man, those were recovered were Dryopithecus and Rampethecus. I have written the history like this. The Dryopithecus and Rampethecus. Dryopithecus were thought to be appeared on this earth 20 to 25 million years ago, and they were ape-like. They walk like gorilla and chimpanzees, and their body was hairy. They were four-legged. Similarly, Rampethecus also, they were supposed to be appeared 15 million years ago, and the characters were same, but these Rampethecus were more man-like. After that, the fossil man-like bones were recovered or discovered in Ethiopia and in Tanzania. This history is of 3 to 4 million years ago, and it is thought that these uh, the man those were there in 3 to 4 million years ago, they walked to Eastern Africa, and they were less than 4 feet, but they were named after that the Australopithecus in 2 million years ago. They were there also in the eastern grasslands. After that, the Australopithecus, those were Australopithecus, they were lived in eastern grasslands, and evidence shows that they had started using the stones weapons, and they have also started using the fruits. This means they were eating the fruits also. After that, they were named as Homo habilis. Homo habilis was considered as the first hominid man, and its brain capacity was 650 to 800 cc. Okay, but probably they did not eat the meat. Then fossils discovered in 1891 in Java. Okay, and it was named as Homo erectus about 1.5 million years ago, and its 1.5 million years ago, and its brain capacity was 900 cc. Then between 1 lakh to 14,000 years ago, okay, yeah, years back, the Homo Neanderthal man arose. Its brain capacity was 1400 cc. They had started hiding their body. They had also started the burying their dead ones also. Then the Homo sapien arose before 70,000 to 75,000 to 10,000 years back. ठीक है, and this started from the Central Asia, and from the East Asia they have they had moving to the Africa, and then they have moved across the continent and developed into the Homo sapiens 75,000 to 10,000 years back. Okay, then in the prehistoric time 18,000 years back, they have started the cave art, and then 10,000 years ago they had started the settlement of their life, and agriculture was also started 10,000 years back. This whole history which is written here and here, I have converted it into the chart form, and this way only you are supposed to learn. Okay, now I am showing you the whole thing in the book in the next video.